that is distributive property for rational number. Now what is this distributive property? This property is little bit difficult to understand than the previous property. So listen it carefully. Here two operations, that is multiplication and addition, are taking place together. So first we consider multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition is distributive. What does it mean? It means if we have three rational numbers, say A, B and C, it will be A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. So for an example, let's consider A as 1 by 3, B equals to 2 by 3, C equals to minus 5 by 3. Okay. So A into B plus C equals to 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 3. Now 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus minus minus 5 by 3. So 1 by 3 into minus 3 by 3. So it is minus 1 by 3. Now the right hand side equals to A into B plus A into C. So A into B is 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 3. So it will be 2 by 9 plus minus 5 by 9. So it will be minus 3 by 9 minus 1 by 3. So we can see that A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. So we can say multiplication over addition is distributive. Next we will consider multiplication over subtraction. That means A into B minus C equals to A into B minus A into C. I'll take the same number A as 1 by 3, B as 2 by 3 and C as minus 5 by 3. So first that A into B minus C is equals to 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3. 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 minus is plus 5 by 3. So it will be 7 by 3. So 7 by 9. The right hand side A into B minus A into C equals to A is 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 3. So it will be 2 by 9, this minus plus, so it will be 5 by 9. So this is 7 by 9. So we can say that A into B minus C equals to A into B minus A into C. So we can say multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction are distributive. Next, distributive property only holds for multiplication over addition and multiplication over subtraction. Division over addition is not distributive. Division over addition is not distributive. So what does it mean? Division over addition. That means it will be if three numbers A, B and C. So this A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. You take three rational number and you check yourself this its validity. Thank you.
একটা অডিয়েন্স আস্তে আস্তে ঠান্ডা হচ্ছে।